Okay, Saturday afternoon, just been out on my push bike. I need a lot more of that. There probably ain't going to be a lot more of that, but I need a lot more of that. Anyway, I'm back in the shed because it's threatening rain and I don't want to get wet. Anyway, back in the shed, as I say, to do my chain. This is on my GSXR 1000 project bike, which I call Mediocre, which you need to watch the other videos of me destroying a perfectly good GSXR 1000 and turning it into something that I appreciate more. Let's put it that way. Anyway, I've just had the wheels powder coated, and I don't want all this chain fling because I used to use chain grease on this machine, and now I've decided I'm going to use chain wax, which doesn't fling as bad. Apparently it's trial and error. So first things first, clean the chain. And I don't clean my chains, and I should clean my chains, and I don't, but I'm going to clean this one, scrub off all the old shit, the old dirty grease and everything, the old chain lube, with WD-40 chain cleaner. And the only reason I'm using this is because the chain wax got some good reviews, and why not use their chain cleaner if you're going to use their wax? Hand in hand. And I'm not paid to say that, and I've not used it before, so I'll see how quick this happens. Well, I'm going to give it another going over, but that has come out for a chain that's never been cleaned, and it's definitely been on this bike at least, probably at least 2 years. Not that I take it out in the roughest of weathers, but yeah, that's come up for a first scrub. That's come up a lot better than I thought it would. Right, this time I'll give it a little while to soak in. Should have read the instructions really. While that's soaking in, I'll have my cup of tea, which is now smothered in dirty oil. So if you're doing this, don't put your cup of tea close to. See that? It's like a little oil slick on the top. Got to keep it away from seagulls and cormorants. They usually like a bit of oil, don't they? Right, I'll leave that, have a cup of tea, and then crack on. Okay, time to stick some chain wax on it. I'm glad I didn't have the wheel in the way, or the tyre in fact. Definitely don't want any of that stuff on the tyre. There you go, that's it. A cleaned and waxed chain. What more is there to say? Only time will tell whether it actually keeps the chain rust free. But I didn't want to go down the route of the chain grease, chain lube, with my new powder coated wheels, which you'll see soon enough, and have the lube flinging all over it, all over them. Well, I don't want it flinging over both of them. That would That'd be far too much if it's hitting the front wheel as well. Anyway, that is what I've chosen to do. I'll let that dry, and I'll probably let you know in the future whether I carry on using chain wax or go back to the lube. Any thoughts? In the comments down below. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and you'll see some more of this stuff. Ta-ra!